Hi guys, this is EpicPH TV. Today I will show you how to fix cracked Steam or any application won't open or run in your system or PC. In today's application, I will try to run NBA 2K20 cracked by codecs. In my case, I have Amd Phenom processor and I think this is the reason why NBA 2K20 codecs crack won't run or open in my PC. As you can see, when I try to open the app, nothing happens. I found a solution on how to run this application for free. First, go to the link in the description to download the file. This file called Intel Development Emulator for AMD processor. After you download the file, extract it. Run the batch file. After you open the batch file, you can see a bunch of text. Then you need to locate the file location of your app. In my case, it's NBA 2K20. Then type the hard disk drive letter. Then press enter. In my case, it's drive E. Then copy the file location of your application and press enter again. Last, type your application name with extension name. In my case, it's exe file, so I type nba2k20.exe, then press enter. Wait for the application to run. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is EpicPH TV, signing out.